All right, here you go, Coach Abe. I'm gonna show you right now how to do the Galaxy tea right here, so you can make it at home. All right. It's pretty simple. I love this one because I love the colors. I love the flavoring. This is one of my favorite drinks to make constantly. So first, we're gonna start with the liftoff. Now, you can smash it or you can just put it in here. It's a tablet. I smash it because it's a lot faster to dissolve. So you grab anything that you can smash it with. There it is. I just dropped it. Okay, so now after this, what we're gonna do is we're going to make sure it goes through. All right, so here it is. So now it's all powder form. Go through. Now, in this one, next one, is pretty much whatever you like. You can do either the chai tea, the raspberry tea, or even the NRG tea. Now I'm going to use the NRG because I'm going to go work out. So this one has no flavoring. What we're going to do half a teaspoon. So I don't know if you can see there. This is actually an Herbalife measurement spoon. So half a teaspoon. We go in and we are going to mix it. Now you can do it with a spoon or a straw. I got a spoon right here. Mix it very well. Now because we want to have flavoring, you can choose the color, because I like it to be like red. I got my colorings right here, cherry flavoring. So now this is beverage milk that Herbalife came out recently as well. Now these ones, they're very strong, so I recommend to put just a little bit of the half a teaspoon. If you can, 1/8 of a spoon, that's even better. So I'm just gonna do half of it. See, not that much. I don't know if you can see there. That's all it is. Very strong color. All right, so in a different container, what we're gonna do after that is we're gonna mix our blue. So here we go, different container. We're gonna mix the blue. Get some water. Now you can do it with hot water, so you can actually mix it faster. But right now, since we're in a hurry, we're gonna do the tea fast. Again, less than half a teaspoon. If you can, 1/8 of a spoon. That's actually 1/4, but 1/8 is better. This is 1/4, but I do half of it. So it's 1/8. All right, so it goes back up. This is Blue Blast. Blue Blast. Now after that, we're gonna fill this one with ice. This one, I'm already using this, but if you're not in the drink club or you make it somebody, do not lick the spoon, just wash it. But this is my tea, so it doesn't matter. So we're gonna fill it up with ice. Oops. But make sure you don't drop the ice. And what you're gonna do from here is you're gonna put the spoon on top and you're gonna drop it in the spoon. So it won't mix as fast. And there we go. And you can guesstimate how much tea you're gonna use, but here we go. This is the Galaxy tea. Right here, it's already mixing. Now, once it mixes, it turns purple, but it's actually pretty cool. If you can actually make it on the top with less water, that would be awesome. You can actually see the big separation between both of these. All right, so that's the Galaxy tea right now with Coach Abe.